Hey guys, this is me, Steve, and we're going to cover Nelson Forest while it's dark. The camera, it looks darker on the camera. To me, it's not that dark to my own eyes, but point out if you see anything creepy. We're just going to walk through here. It's very eerie with the fog right now. Today, we are EDCing my Buck 110 folding hunter knife. And it's genuine leather sheath. You could hang somebody off that. I mean, it's like, not that you should, it's just, you know, like in a horror movie that looks like the branch that somebody gets hanged off of. Very creepy stuff. I hear movement. There's definitely something over there. It's just probably people though. Spooky shit down here. Hope there's nothing behind me. I know you probably can't see the video too good, but I don't got a flash on my phone, so yeah, creek is down there. Following the path I made here. Yeah, you can't see anything now. That'd be terrible as a hunter, I'm too noisy. Okay. I'm gonna start heading up there now, I don't know what's in there. I think I saw something bouncing through the grass. It may have been a skunk or a rabbit. Wish I had a phone with a flash on it. There's a high school. Let's go back there. Let's go see what's behind there. If I remember correctly, like from when I came here to look at it when I was in grade 8, kind of to decide which high school I'd go to, the cafeteria is up here where that door that says number 12, that you can't see it in the video too well, is those double doors up there at the cafeteria. Weird, this has got like a loading dock kind of feel. There's inside the school. I'm gonna take my hood off so I don't look like a hobo trying to sneak in. Kind of like a courtyard, if you will. Yeah. These are what my videos are all about. Steve's outdoor gear and exploration. Yeah, that's the cafeteria. Somebody's in there though. It's over here. It looks like a greenhouse, probably for one of the tech classes, you know, shop. That over there is kind of like their peace garden from what I understand. We're not going to go in any further. I don't want to look like an intruder. They put numbers on the doors, I guess, in case, you know, there's a fire, and then they can just call, yeah, the fire's at door number 14, or the fire's at door number 7, you know? It's kind of like helps them figure out where everything is. We're gonna get out of here now. Just for the record, guys, a lot of people have been talking shit about my height. I want you guys to know that 5'11" is not short, because even though I am wearing Canadian Armed Forces combat boots, which do give me about an inch lift, I wear them because they're steel-toed, offer great protection. I'm always outdoors, so it's good use to have them. Even without the boots on, I stand taller than a Ford Escape SUV, so yeah. And then over there, like I've always showed you, that's the plain field, covered in fog, very creepy looking. That is a hydro box over there. It kind of gives the power to the school, you know. And then behind this part up here is a driveway, which leads to the auto shop garage and entrance to a playing field. I don't know why I'm exploring the school's grounds, but I am. It just looks so creepy with this fog. I mean, there's some people walking their dog over there. Kind of looks creepy from here. Just that fog, that fine white line and the light behind it. Very creepy stuff. Now, if this was an abandoned hospital, I probably wouldn't even go near it. It's just, that'd be too creepy. But it's a school, so we're good. We got some walls, some fences here. It's getting very dark. So, this is like where the wood shop is. They got their exhaust vent right there for all the excess wood, and they fill up the wheelie bins with the wood sawdust. Broken glass. Yeah, see, it's just, that's all sawdust right there. My boot print. There's their massive playing field over there. Trees. Yeah, see, that's all their shop. You can tell by all the vents and stuff to take all the excess dust out of there. Fucking assholes with their cars having to take up the parking lot. Almost cut you off when you're trying to just walk, as usual. What do you expect? They're drivers. Probably gonna piss a few people off with that comment. Well, they're all coming from the playing field right now. Here's the auto shop doors. Just some sheds. The auto shop is in there. I never went to this school. I went to a different school. Looking back, I should have went here. It looks like, by the looks of it, that looks like, considering the jerseys and sweaters, the gym teacher's office. That looks like a supply room with those big letters over there. Oh, that's a dog. I thought it was like an animal. And then here's like a massive parking lot. We're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching.